Artificial intelligence is transforming the pharmaceutical industry faster than ever before. AI is now being integrated into laboratory systems, manufacturing platforms, quality management systems, MES, LIMS, ERP platforms, analytical instruments, predictive maintenance tools, electronic batch records, deviation management systems, and even automated decision making processes. But here is the question that many CSV professionals, quality teams, and regulatory specialists are asking today. How do you validate an artificial intelligence system in a regulated GXP environment? And even more important, is traditional computerized system validation enough for systems that continuously learn, adapt, or generate different outputs based on changing data sets? This is currently one of the biggest discussions in the global pharmaceutical industry. Many professionals still believe that AI systems cannot be validated because their outputs may change over time. Others believe that traditional CSV methodologies can simply be reused without modification. The reality is that both perspectives are incomplete. Global regulatory agencies such as the FDA, EMA, MHRA, WHO, PICS, ISPA, and GAMP are moving toward a risk-based and lifecycle approach for artificial intelligence systems. The focus is no longer only on validating static software functions. Now, companies must also demonstrate control over AI model governance, training datasets, data integrity and data lineage, algorithm transparency and explainability, bias monitoring, cybersecurity risks, continuous performance verification, change management for retrained models, human oversight and decision accountability, audit trails and electronic records compliance, validation of cloud-based AI infrastructures, supplier qualification for AI vendors and platforms. One of the biggest misconceptions in the market is the idea that AI validation means validating the algorithm itself only. In reality, pharmaceutical companies must validate the entire ecosystem surrounding the AI solution. This includes the infrastructure, interfaces, integrations, intended use, patient impact, quality risks, data reliability, and operational controls. Another critical point is that not every AI system requires the same validation strategy. An AI used for predictive maintenance does not present the same regulatory risk as an AI system involved in batch release decisions, laboratory result interpretation, or automated quality assessments. This is why risk assessment becomes even more critical in AI validation projects. Companies must define what is the intended use of the AI? Is the system GXP relevant? Can the AI directly impact product quality, patient safety, data integrity, or regulatory decisions? Is there human review before critical actions are executed? Can the AI output be explained and reproduced? How are model updates controlled? How is ongoing performance monitored after deployment? And perhaps the most important question, how can companies maintain a validated state if the AI model evolves over time? This is exactly where modern CSV methodologies must evolve. The future of validation is not only about qualification protocols and testing scripts. It is about establishing continuous assurance, AI governance, lifecycle monitoring, and robust quality oversight. In our upcoming course, we will explore how pharmaceutical companies can apply computerized system validation principles to artificial intelligence solutions using a practical, risk-based, and globally compliant approach aligned with FDA expectations. GAMP 5 Second Edition, Data Integrity Principles, Annex 11, 21 CFR Part 11, and Emerging AI Governance Frameworks. If you work with CSV, quality assurance, IT, automation, data integrity, digital transformation, or artificial intelligence in regulated industries, this discussion is no longer optional. AI is already part of the pharmaceutical industry. The question is no longer whether companies will use AI. The real question is whether companies are prepared to validate it properly.